There's often confusion within an organization between career planning and succession planning. I join the company and I immediately expect the organization will take responsibility for my career. And if I do not feel that they are doing that, then I tend to feel as though they don't care about me and I feel slighted. And I do not think that's the right way to feel. Career planning means, in my judgment, the organization gives me the tools that I need in order to chart my own career. I know what skills are necessary in the jobs that I aspire to get promoted into. I know what development things I need to acquire in order to be better in my job and make more money. So I am able to control my own destiny. I can apply for jobs that I want, I know what skills are necessary, and I can go forward and never feel as though I don't know how to get ahead. But when I apply, naturally the best person will get the job. That's career planning. And I think every employee is entitled to be given that information so they can chart their own career. Succession planning is the moral obligation the organization has to the shareholders to ensure that key positions always have folks in the wings waiting to move into those positions as necessary. And therefore the HR group select individuals who are typically high performers and groom them and train them so that they are ready to step into key positions at a moment's notice if necessary. So that succession planning is very different from career planning. Succession planning, the HR professional is in fact managing that person's career, if you will. In career planning, I'm managing my own career. And just as a quick PS, people say, well, how do I get from the career planning bucket to the ones that are into the succession planning bucket? And the answer is, be brilliant at your job. Be the very best employees the company has, and that'll move you into that bucket.